Hi, my name's Chris, and I'm here to help some folks do some basic training with JAWS. I'm here using JAWS 17, and I'm going to show you how to move around your desktop, cycle between open applications, maybe open up some icons, close some icons, check the time, find out where you're at exactly, speed up your speech, slow down your speech, maybe go look at the system tray, how to turn your volume up or down, see if you're hooked up to the internet or whatnot. So here I am, I've already got focus on the desktop, and if you don't, you just simply press Windows D for desktop or Windows M for minimize. Depending on where you're at when you do it, depends on what result you end up with. So when you're on the desktop, and if you do it properly, it should say folder view, list view, and then whatever icon it is and whatever number it is. So I can use my arrows at this point here and just arrow around.
Zoom text 10.1.
So we got Zoom text,
Google Mail.
Google,
Image Reader 1.0. iTunes.
iTunes,
Zoom text videos. Gen 5.0.5.
and all I'm doing is just using my left, down, up, So it's kind of like you can work it like a grid or like a checkerboard or a chessboard where you can just go one icon over, one icon down, all around. If you want to jump straight to an icon, you can simply press whatever letter it begins with. So if I need Internet Explorer, I can press an I.
iTunes.
There's iTunes. I press I again.
Image Reader 1.0.
There's Image Reader. I again.
Internet Explorer.
Internet Explorer. So therefore, I may have 30 or 40 things on my desktop, and I don't want to spend a lot of time going through each of them trying to find Internet Explorer. So that's what's nice about first letter navigation. So if I wanted to maybe find my Microsoft Word, I have mine set as Word for a shortcut. So I'll just do a W,
Word.
and there it is. If I wanted to open it, I just simply press Enter. So I'll go back to my Internet Explorer.
Internet Explorer.
Of course, as Z, Zoom text.
Zoom text videos.
So there's some videos about that. So that's pretty self-explanatory there. If we want to know the time, we would simply press the 0 on the number pad and the F12 together.
8:26 p.m.
8:26, and of course is in the evening time. If I press it twice quickly, we end up with the date as well.
8:10 Thursday, January 19th, 2017.
There we go. The 0 on the number pad is referred to most commonly as a JAWS key or an insert key. So basically, anytime that you ever press a JAWS or an insert key, you're just in combination with another key, JAWS is always going to speak something to you. Very seldom does it ever take action. So I've got Internet Explorer already open to Google. So if I want to, right now I'm sitting at the desktop, but if I want to get over to it, I would just simply hold down my Alt key, my ALT. It's either one button to the left of the spacebar or one button to the right of the spacebar. So I'll hold that button down and press Tab, but I'm going to continue to hold the Alt key down as I'm doing this. I'm hold it down, Tab.
Google Internet Explorer.
There's Google right there. I let Alt key up, and here is my Google. If I Alt Tab again, there's my JAWS application window. Tab again. There's my desktop. I let my Alt back up wherever I want to land at. I'm going to ignore the phone. If I want to speed up my speech, I can press Control Alt Page Up. If I want to slow it down, I hit the... So I'm still holding my Control and the Alt button down, and I just press my page down.
Slower.
Okay. If I want to know where I'm at, I can simply press, remember, the JAWS key, which is the 0 on the number pad, and the letter T.
Title is desktop.
And it said desktop. If I want to, let's see what else I can do here. I can do a JAWS key tab, and it will give me more information about where I'm at.
Folder view list view Zoom text videos 18 of 34. To move the item view.
So I heard
to edit the selected item, press F.
Zoom text videos, which is the 18th icon out of 34. So that gives me an idea, a little bit more information about where I'm at and what's highlighted or selected on the desktop. So pretty much that was an easy. The only other thing you can really do on the desktop, you can tab through it. Just use your tab key.
Tab, start button to open, press
There's
F.
your start button.
Tab, taskbar file explorer button to move through items, press left or
File
right arrow.
Explorer. Tab again.
Tab, system tray HP tools desktop button to move between
System
buttons,
tray.
left and right arrow. Tab, show desktop button to activate, press
Okay,
spacebar.
and of course we can show the desktop again. And one more tab will bring me straight and put focus on the desktop. This is what I meant when I talked about folder view, list view a little bit earlier in the video.
Tab, desktop, folder view list view Zoom text videos 18 of 34. To move the item view is the arrow.
There it is. And anytime that you want JAWS to be quiet or shut him up, you just hit the control key, which is located in the lower left corner of the keyboard. Hopefully, I'll be able to do a few of these videos to get people up to speed that are new to this software. I know it's kind of hard to learn if you're not sure what to do to begin with, but if you can get a friend or a family member to turn this video on for you, and maybe you can kind of go back to it and refer back to the video of different things that I've showed and displayed here. And of course, you never want to give up, because if you give up, you don't get anywhere. I know it's frustrating. I fought it for the longest time, but I promise with practice, you will get better. So if you like it, or please hit the like, and if you want to subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see what I can get done for you. Thank you.